Hello students, today we will study the next question, that is of question number 12, exercise 5.3. This is the topic of standard 10, chapter number 5. And what is the question? The question is, find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Okay, so here what we have to do? We have to find the first 50 positive integers, right? 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6. So the first number which is divisible by 6 is 6. Second number that is divisible by 6 is 12. In the same way we get the third as 18, and we don't know the 14th term that is divisible by 6. So we have to find out the sum of all these numbers, 6 plus 12 plus 18 up to 40 terms. So for this AP, we have the first term A is equals to 6. Common difference D is also 6. Number of term is equals to 40. And we have to find out the S40. That is the sum of the first 40 terms. Okay. So here you can use the formula, that is Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So now it is not need to write down the formula. We can directly put the value. S40 is equals to 40 upon 2. 2a means 2 into 6. And n minus 1. N minus 1, that means 39. And D is equals to 6. So here we will cancel out the 2 common factor. We get the 20. 6 2s are 12. 39 into 6, that is equals to 234. Addition of both this is equals to 246. Multiply, if we multiply 20 and 246, we get the answer S40 is equals to 4920. So this is the sum of the first 40 terms of an AP of the number which are divisible by the 6. Okay, so this is question number 12. Now let us study the question number 14. Okay, and what is the question? The question is, find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. So here in this question, we have to find out the sum of the odd numbers which are in between 0 and 50. So the first odd number we get is equals to 1. Thereafter we get the 3, 5. In this way we get this AP. And the last number, we know that it is a 49 and it is an odd number. So in our AP, the first term is 1, the last term is 49. Okay, so A is equals to 1, D is equals to 2. Here we get the common difference is equals to 2. AN, that is the last term, is equals to 49. Now we have to add all these terms. So to add all this term, we must have the value of n, that how many terms are there in this AP. Currently we do not have the value of n. So first of all we have to find out the value of n, that how many terms are there in this AP. So for that we use this value of an, that is equals to 49. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equals to 49, a is equals to 1, n minus 1 remains as it is, and d is equals to 2. By taking 1 to the left hand side, it will subtract it and get the value of 48. 48 is equals to n minus 1 into 2. Divide both the side with 2, we get the value 24 is equals to n minus 1. So therefore, the value of n we get is equals to 25. Now we have all the values, that is of first term, last term, value of n and value of t. So we can directly use the formula that Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus an. A is first term, that is 1. An is the last term, that is 49, and n is 25. Right? So 25 upon 2 will remain as it is. This will give us 50. 50 to the 25 to the 50. So we get the 25 and 25. And the multiplication of both this number is equals to 625. And this is what the addition of the 25 terms, first odd 25 numbers. Sum of the first 25 odd numbers, that is equals to 625. Okay, so in this way we can solve this type of questions. Okay. Okay, so let us study question number 16. And what is the question? Question is, a sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. So here there is a total price that we have, that student have to give, and that is equals to rupees 700. And how many students are there? Total number of students are also 7. So here we don't know the price of the first student that get. So let us assume that, suppose that the first prize value is of rupees x. Now in the question it is given that the second student, the second rank student will get the 20 rupees less than the previous student. That means the first student. So here first, if the first student get the x rupees as a prize, the second student will get x minus 20 as a prize. Again, the third student is also get 20 rupees less than the previous student. So here we will get the third student get the price x minus 40. In the same way, fourth will get x minus 60, fifth will get x minus 80, sixth will get x minus 100, and seventh student will get the price x minus 120. Okay? So this is become an AP. Why? Because the difference between these two terms is equals to minus 20. Also the difference between these two terms is also minus 20. Because as we go from first student to the seventh student, it will be increasing 20 rupees each time. That is why the difference is minus 20. So now we have the first value, first term of this AP, A is equals to x, common difference is equals to minus 20. Now we have given the sum of the all the prices. So this is the all the prices and sum is 700. So we can use this formula Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equals to 700, n is equals to 7. So here we will get 7 by 2. 2a is equals to 2x because a is x. Here n minus 1. N is 7. N is 7. So 7 minus 1 is 6. And 6 into d, that is equals to 20. So 6 2s are 120, but minus because the d is minus. So here we will get 2x minus 120. Okay, now if we take this 2 inside the bracket, it will divide both the 2x and 120. So here 2 will cancel, only x will remain. Here if we divide with 2, we get the 60. And by taking this 7 to the left hand side, it will divide the 700. So 700 divided by 7 is equals to 100. So now we have 100 is equals to x minus 60. Take this 60 to the left hand side, it will give, add with the 100. So we will get the value of x is equals to 160. So what is this? This is the price the first student get. So now to get the value of the price received by the second student, that is equals to x minus 20. So we have to subtract 20 from this. We will get the 140. Price get by the third student, x minus 40 is equals to 120. Price for the fourth student, that is equals to x minus 60 is equals to 100. Fifth student will get x minus 80, that is equals to 80 rupees. Sixth student will get x minus 100, that is equals to 60 rupees. And last 7th student will get x minus 120, that is equals to 40 rupees. So in this way, student and the price is 160, 140, 120, 100, 80, 60 and 40. So this total 700, price of the total 700 rupees is divided in this way in all the 7 students according to their number, according to their academic performance. Okay, so this is, in this way we can solve this type of question. So this is all about this lecture. Thank you.